you think, Tori? Chickens like that corn?
I see that.
Yeah, well, you gotta wait till I'm through. Here come the other two. No, they just ran behind you there, Brad. Yeah, they're Hazel and May are in there somewhere.
Daddy, can I see them?
The rest of them are getting a 4th of July corn treat.
All right, you other two, you better come out of hiding.
Y'all are missing out on gourmet lunch.
Daddy, can I see the pink chickies?
Tori, hang on. Let me finish taping, okay? Then I'll show it to you, okay? Can you say Happy 4th of July?
Happy 4th of July.
Thank you, sweetie. There's one of those other ones. There's my stupendous garden in the background. That's a whole nother video right there. Well, I think they like it. Is that good, girls?
What did you say?
Tori, don't get too close. Don't scare them off.
What did you say?
Just making sure they like their corn appetizer.
You mean this corn?
Tori, please step away from the birds.
That corn?
Yeah, that corn. I'd say they're pretty fond of that. We'll know what to do with our leftover corn from now on.
Which one is Buffy?
Buffy's the big, kind of white looking one.
Buffy. Here's Buffy.
That's Buffy.
Buffy?
She was the first one that braved the corn plate and tried it out. Then the rest of them dove right in.
Yeah.
Once they saw her eating it. Said, hey, this isn't so bad. Oh, there they are. Sneaking around. They're not going to be able to get any corn, though. Big ones are about to let them close. Oh, well. Well, happy 4th, everyone. The chickens are enjoying theirs, aren't they?
Daddy, can I
Good
see?
stuff.
Can I see the picture?
Yeah, let me turn it off, Tori, so you can have a look, okay? So bye.